So just recently I had a headlight go out in the Cadillac, and I happened to be looking in my messages and found a message from AUXITO LED, and they're wondering if I'd do a review for them. So it's perfect timing to check them out. We're gonna throw these in and see how well they work. So let me open this up and show you what's in there. Looks like we got some zip ties and some sort of gaskets there. Instructions. Comes with some pretty cool installation gloves. I haven't seen that before, so that's neat. And then there's the bulbs. They look pretty high quality. They got little fans in them to keep them cool, so they should last a really long time. So I'm gonna go out and take a drive and show you what my stock headlights are, minus one bulb, and then I'll install these tomorrow and give you another comparison of the new ones. Here's what I got going on now. No headlight. Standard halogen. You can see it's kind of a yellowish tint. Alright, it's dark out, so I'll go for a little test drive so you can see how crappy the stock one headlight is. Alright, so this is one headlight on my driveway. Alright, gonna get these lights installed. I guess I did have slightly fancier headlights in here. Not quite stock. Let's put my gloves on to install the new ones. So at this point I'm figuring out that they sent me the high beams instead of the low beams. So we're gonna fast forward to the next section. So what I did here is I installed the high beams and adjusted them way down so that I could use them as a low beam for a couple days until I receive the new lights. Alright, so after I got the high beams installed in the Cadillac, I was so happy with them that I ordered the fog lights and the low beams, and I had to wait for them to get here. So I thought I'd do the rest of the video with all the lights installed so you could see them. So we had to wait a few days for the rest to get here, but now we got them, and we're just gonna get the rest installed real quick. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Give you a close up of that. Looks real nice. And to test it before we get it all installed, lights on. Nice. Let's get the other one in. Just gonna get the front end all buttoned up here and then wait for it to get dark and go for a test drive. Nice, all the lights are working now. Well, that was a pain to take the bumper off and on a couple times, but now I got some really nice bright lights in there. All right, it's dark out. I'll show you what these lights are like. This is such a huge difference from before. You can see that nice flat line up there, nice breakaway. That way it doesn't give a whole lot of glare to oncoming traffic. Huge difference from before. This is just the low beams, and there's the high beams. It's almost like having a light bar on here. That is great. If you're in the market for new lights, check out AUXITO. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. And if you made it this far in the video, check out some of my others.